Hello everyone, this is Pritika Patel working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department of Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about threaded binary tree, which is a topic of subject data structure of second year, third semester. Now coming to the point, threaded binary tree. In link representation of binary tree, there are more null links than actual pointers. These null links can be replaced by pointer called threads to the other nodes. Means in threaded binary tree, we have to replace all the null links with a thread. A binary tree is threaded according to the particular traversal order. For example, threads for the in-order traversal of tree are pointers to its higher nodes for their traversal order. In threaded binary tree, a null link is replaced with the address of its in-order predecessor. A right null link of node is replaced with the address of its in-order successor. Because the left or right link of node can denote either structural link or a thread, we must somehow be able to distinguish them. Now, types of threaded binary tree. There are three types of threaded binary tree. First one is right threaded binary tree. Second, left threaded binary tree. And last, that is third, full threaded binary tree. Now first one is right threaded binary tree. For this here one binary tree is already given over here. Now this is the link representation of this binary tree. Now in right threaded binary tree we have to fill all right null link of each and every node of this tree is replaced with the address of its in order successor. So now from this tree, first of all we have to find the in order traversal of this tree. So the in order traversal of this tree is C, B, D, A, F, G, E and H. So now to construct right threaded binary tree, we have to fill all right null link with its in order successor. So now here we have to see the in order successor of the particular node. So now first in order successor of C, that is B. So the right link of this C is threaded with B. Now next is the in order successor of D is A. So the right link of A is threaded with A. Now next is the right link of G. So the in order successor of G, that is E. So this right link of G is threaded with E. So this is the construction of right threaded binary tree. For this we have to reminder the points, that is all the right null links are replaced with its in order successor. Now next is left threaded binary tree. For this the binary tree is already given over here and the link representation of binary tree is also given here. Now we have to find the in order traversal of this tree. So in order traversal of this tree is C, B, A, E, F, D and G. Now in left threaded binary tree, we have to replace all the left null link with in order predecessor. So here the in order predecessor of E, that is A. So we have to replace it with A, and in order predecessor of F, that is E. So we have to threaded this left link with E. Now next, the left null link of G, that is having G having in order predecessor, that is D. So this left link of D, that is threaded with D. So this is the construction of left threaded binary tree. Now next is full threaded binary tree. For this binary tree is already given over here, and the link representation of binary tree is given, and now we have to find the in order traversal of this tree, that is C, B, A, E, F, D and G. So now from this we have to find the full threaded binary tree. But full threaded binary tree we have to combine left and right both the threaded binary tree. So we have to fill all the left and right link, that is null, which thread. So here B is threaded with A, C is threaded with B, then E is threaded with A, then F is threaded with E, F right link is threaded with D, then G's left link is threaded with D, right? So this is the way we can thread fully threaded binary tree. So we can say that fully threaded binary tree is nothing but the combination of right threaded binary tree and left threaded binary tree. Now next is advantage of threaded binary tree. In order traversal is faster than unthreaded version as stack is not required. Effectively determine the predecessor and successor for in order traversal. For unthreaded tree, this task is more difficult. A stack is required to provide upward pointing information in binary tree, which threading provides without stack. It is possible to generate successor or predecessor of any node without having overhead of stack with the helping of threading. Now disadvantage of threaded binary tree. Threaded trees are unable to share common subtrees. If negative addressing is not permitted in programming language, two additional fields are required. Insertion into and deletion from threaded binary tree are more time consuming because both thread and structural link must be maintained. Thank you.